Psychology says people who treat their birthday like a normal day aren't cold, ungrateful, or emotionless. In fact, their mind often works in a way most people never notice. 1. They don't depend on external validation. For many people, birthdays are exciting because they bring attention, celebration, and recognition. Messages, calls, posts, a reminder that people care. But some individuals don't need that. They don't rely on one specific day to feel important or valued. Psychology refers to this as low social dependency. They appreciate connection, but they're not dependent on it. So a birthday doesn't feel like a requirement to feel special, because they already feel complete without it. 2. Their brain resists forced emotions. Birthdays come with unspoken rules. Be happy, celebrate, be social, act excited, but for some people, that feels unnatural. Their mind doesn't like being told how to feel. Instead of excitement, it creates pressure. It's not boredom, it's comfort. It's choosing peace over performance. 3. They reflect more than they celebrate. While others are celebrating externally, their mind turns inward. Birthdays often trigger something deeper, a process psychologists call self-evaluation. They start thinking, where am I in life? What have I changed? What haven't I changed? Am I becoming who I wanted to be? It's not sadness, it's awareness. And sometimes, a quiet day of reflection feels more meaningful than a loud celebration ever could. 4. They don't enjoy being the center of attention. Not because they lack confidence, but because their social wiring is different. Being the focus of attention means all eyes on them, all expectations on them, all reactions directed at them. That can activate a subtle sense of social vigilance. Even if they seem calm on the outside, their mind is processing everything. So instead of enjoying the spotlight, they prefer environments where they can just be themselves, without performance, without pressure. 5. They value real connection over rituals. For them, a random deep conversation on a normal day means more than 100 birthday wishes, because those wishes often feel automatic, routine, expected. They'd rather have one real interaction than 100 surface-level ones. 6. They regulate emotions differently. Some people love emotional highs, celebrations, surprises, big moments, but others prefer balance. Their brain naturally avoids intense emotional spikes, even positive ones, because every high is usually followed by a drop. So instead of riding that emotional roller coaster, they keep things steady, simple, calm. This isn't detachment. 7. They see time differently. For some, a birthday is just a celebration, but for others, it's a reminder. Time is moving, life is changing, nothing stays the same. And instead of distracting themselves with noise, they choose to sit with that awareness. You're not strange, you're not boring, and you're definitely not emotionless. If you want more psychology videos that explain your behavior in ways nobody ever has, hit subscribe.